If you have a spreadsheet containing locations such as stores, job sites, or shipping destinations, and you need to find accurate weather forecast data for each one, Visual Crossing Weather makes it easy. Today I'll show you how to use your existing spreadsheet data to find weather forecasts for multiple locations. I'll first go to the Visual Crossing Weather Data download page and log into my Visual Crossing Weather account. If you don't already have an account, simply click on the orange button on the right-hand side of the page. There you can sign up for a free trial account so that you can follow along. When prompted to add my locations, I'll choose the File Import option. I can now either open a file browser, paste the raw data in as text, or simply drag and drop my spreadsheet file into the drop zone. As input, I can use any CSV file that contains location records, such as addresses, zip codes, or latitude and longitude values. The file must also have normal column headers. Visual Crossing now shows the loaded data records and prompts me to identify the columns to be used as input to the weather query. The name of the address column in my data has already been guessed by the interface, and I'll manually select the store name for my own reference on the display. Finally, I need to tell Visual Crossing Weather what type of weather query I want to run. The default option is a 15-day daily weather forecast, and I can simply hit the Request Weather Data button to continue. You could alternately look up weather history records or obtain historical weather summaries. For more information on these other options, please see our other videos. When I press the Request button, I am shown the Weather Calendar view. Here I can conveniently see the 15-day forecast for all of my locations on a single overview. If I want to analyze this data further, I can simply click the Download button at the bottom of the page. I can then add this data back into my original spreadsheet to do further analysis in Excel, or import the forecast records into a database or business intelligence analytics tool. If you are interested in other weather data functionality, such as historical reports and weather summaries over time, please see our other videos. Thank you for watching.